The Sahurul Ikhlaq Art Gallery recently hosted an exhibition titled A Restrained Grace and Bleeding Borders that featured the remarkable paintings of Ustad Bashiruddin and his son Aminur Rahman. This special event was organized as part of the 150th anniversary celebrations of the National College of Arts. The celebrations began with the inauguration of Ustad Bashir's work, paying tribute to his incredible contribution to the world of art. As a master artist and a recipient of the Presidential Lifetime Achievement Award, Ustad Bashir's legacy holds a significant place in Pakistan artistic heritage. Ustad Bashiruddin was born and raised in Kasur, Punjab. He received his art education from the Mio School of Arts, Lahore, and taught at the Mio School and National College of Arts, Lahore from 1953 to 1982. He was a master miniature painter known for his wash painting style and drawing. The centerpiece of the event was the collection of drawings by Ustad Bashiruddin, known for his meticulous craft and restrained elegance.
उस्ताद जी की ये ड्राइंग्स 40 ड्राइंग पहली दफ़े दिखाई जा रही हैं जो इससे पहले आवाम ने नहीं देखी, और इसमें सिर्फ मिनिएचर या वॉश पेंटिंग बेस्ड ड्राइंग्स नहीं है, बल्कि स्टूडेंट्स को काम कराते हुए जो प्रोसेस इन्वॉल्व होता है तो एवरीडे ड्राइंग्स है, एवरीडे लाइफ के मुताबिक है।
His work has long been celebrated as a benchmark of the artistic discipline and cultural depth. The opening ceremony was attended by the distinguished personalities from Pakistan's art, academic, and cultural spheres. Among the attendees were senior artists, NCA alumni, art historians, and cultural diplomats who came together to honor the legacy of the Mio School of Arts and its transformation into the National College of Arts. Zorain Murtaza, curator at NCA, was the organizer of the event.
1958 में जब NCA बनता है तो तब वो पढ़ा रहे थे। उस्ताद बशीरुद्दीन ने एक दौर देखा, वो दौर ट्रांजिशन का, मियो स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट से NCA का जो ट्रांजिशन था वो उन्होंने विटनेस किया। तो आज जब हम इनके काम को देखते हैं कि वो एक उस्ताद भी थे, आर्टिस्ट भी थे, उन्होंने चुगताई का भी दौर देखा और चुगताई के जो कंटेम्प्रेरीज उस वक्त काम कर रहे थे वो भी देखा, तो उनके काम में ये इन्फ्लुएंस इनका ज़रूर नज़र आता है। लेकिन शायद उनकी काम करते करते ये खसूसियत भी बन गई कि उन्होंने अपना स्टाइल थोड़ा सा डेवलप करना शुरू किया, डिस्टिंक्ट है, वो थोड़ा सा फ़र्क है। तो उस्ताद बशीरुद्दीन की जो लाइन क्वालिटी वो ख़ास तौर पे इसमें हमें ज़्यादा अहमियत कि हम मिलें, और फिर हमें ये भी एहसास होता है कि जब वो लाइन बनाते हैं या स्केच करते हैं, ड्रॉ करते हैं, तो वो सिर्फ स्टाइलाइज नहीं करते, वो एक जान डालते हैं।
A series of speeches by art critics and scholars celebrated the immense contributions of Ustad's work of Pakistan art. Art critics and renowned artists took to the stage to discuss Ustad Bashiruddin's unparalleled contribution to Pakistan's art history. Many highlighted his role in shaping generation of artists through his teachings and mentorship at the NCA. Ustad's legacy as a mentor at NCA was highlighted, with many of his students recalling the invaluable lessons they learned under his guidance. The pieces displayed a delicate balance between technical accuracy and emotional depth, embodying the restrained elegance for which Ustad Bashiruddin's work is renowned. His work reflected his deep connection to cultural heritage, with themes drawn from Mughal miniature, Islamic architecture, and landscapes of subcontinent.
Can you believe it? Can someone believe it? कि जो यहाँ पे लगा हुआ है, दीवारों पे जो पेंटिंग लगी हुई है, ये उस दरवेश की बनाई हुई है, क्योंकि उस दरवेश के साथ मेरा ज़िंदगी भर का साथ रहा। अमीन एंड उसके भाई नहीं आया, सलीम नहीं आया, इन दोनों भाइयों ने अपने बाप का नाम रोशन किया।
His son Aminur Rahman also spoke or shared insights into his installations and its relevance in today's global context. In contrast to his father's classical approach, Aminur Rahman's Bleeding Borders brought a modern activist dimension to the exhibition. As an internationally acclaimed contemporary artist, Aminur Rahman used this project to highlight global issues, particularly migration, displacement, and the human cost of borders.
मेरे काम में ब्लीडिंग बॉर्डर सीरीज़ इज़ अबाउट पाकिस्तानी बॉर्डर्स के मुतल्लिक है कि किस तरह से पिछले 40-50 साल में जो जंगें इन सरहदों पे आई हैं उन्होंने फर्दर डिवीजन कैसे पैदा की है हमारे मुआशरे में और हमारे घरों में, हमारी कम्युनिटी में। सो ये एक लम्हा फ़िक्रिया है।
His work challenged traditional notions of the boundaries, inviting viewers to reflect on the socio-political realities that divide nations and communities. Bleeding Borders beautifully highlighted the themes of connection, division, and human emotions. His artworks are the result of on-site research and documentation that explores the living situation of communities surviving along Pakistan's borderlands, which include India, Iran, and Afghanistan. Amin Rahman investigates the migration of people through trade routes and traces metaphorical steps that Central Asian invaders took to reach India. The dual exhibition of Ustad Bashiruddin and Aminur Rahman was more than a tribute to their individual artistic achievements. It was a celebration of the enduring legacy of the National College of Arts. It highlighted the institution's pivotal role in shaping the cultural landscapes of Pakistan, nurturing artists who honor this heritage while pushing the boundaries of creativity.